Hello everybody, HyperStuffy's here. Today, we're going to unbox, assemble, and review the TrueInnovative task chair. So, the box is held by 3 pieces of tape, and I already opened it before, but there is actually adhesive that's pretty strong. So if you're weak like me, it may be a struggle. So, I'm going to take off all the wrapping off of all the parts, but first of all, so after I've unboxed and unwrapped all of the, stuff, time to assemble it. So it comes with this stapled instruction manual. I haven't read it yet. I'll let you know how the procedure goes. But most of these parts, it's very sturdy. You could it's oily, but you could, it's very heavy. So the first step is you take the stand of the chair and put these little feet. So pretty much next is the wheels. The wheels are actually fairly simple. You just take this, and I believe you just take it and put a lot of pressure like that, and now it's in, and it's not gonna come out. The next step is this gas. It's called the gas canister. So pretty much it says put it in like this. Put it in like that. So next we attach this seat plate. So pretty much the instructions say you put it here. I believe that's right. Yeah. And then you take your screws. In this case is the 25mm. So you would look, like, this one's a 25mm. So then you screw it in. So now I screwed it in, and it's really secure. One thing to note is that it is actually quite hard to do these ones because when you're screwing it in, this part gets in the way. And I'm just checking. Okay, so you have to tighten the screws completely, the instruction says. The next step is to put this one, the back part. So, time to do that now. So now is the handlebar, the armrest time. So now you need this 45mm screw. And you put it in. Then there are actually holes. There's a hole right here. Just imagine on the other side, and you put it in. Then with the Allen wrench, you would tighten it. So now that I've fully assembled the chair, it's time to put the chair on the chair. This is hard when I don't have a face. Now the final. Hold on. The chair. Wait, it's not complete yet. So it was a quick 7-step procedure. The instructions were quite easy to follow, and for me it took around 1.5 to 2 hours. If you're stronger than me, I'm pretty sure you could cut the time in half, but right now you can see it can go up and down quite smoothly. But the most important part about any chair.
Oh yeah? But can you do this?
Can it do this? answer is no. As you can see, I was using this IKEA chair, the standard IKEA chair. It's actually quite not very comfortable, and it doesn't give much back support, so I'm finding myself pretty hunched over it sometimes. And with this chair, it offers very good back support, as well as it's comfortable. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want, you can subscribe. It's all up to you. Anyway guys, goodbye. See ya!